Hello friends. Welcome back. Today, I am going to share with you one of the most powerful ideas ever discovered in human history: you become what you think. This principle has changed the lives of countless successful people across the world, and if you truly understand it, it can change your life too. This isn't just a saying, it's a universal law. Your thoughts shape your reality. The way you think about yourself, about others, and about the world directly influences what you become and what you achieve. So, let's dive deep into this life changing philosophy. I'll explain it with stories, examples, and lessons so that by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of how your mind creates your destiny. Chapter 1: The Seed of Thought. Think of your mind like a fertile field. Whatever seed you plant in it, whether positive or negative, will grow. If you plant seeds of confidence, success, love, and hard work, that's exactly what you will harvest. If you plant seeds of fear, doubt, laziness, and negativity, then failure will come. Lesson: your outer world is nothing but a reflection of your inner world. Example: Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb, failed thousands of times. But he never allowed the thought of failure to dominate his mind. He kept thinking of possibility until success finally appeared. Chapter 2: Thoughts become beliefs. Every single thought that you repeat again and again turns into a belief. If you keep saying, "I'm not good enough," it becomes your reality. If you say, "I can achieve anything," your brain finds ways to make it true. Example: Muhammad Ali, the legendary boxer, always declared, "I am the greatest." He believed it long before the world believed it. His repeated thoughts became his belief, and his belief became his destiny. Lesson: be careful of what you repeatedly think. Thoughts are not harmless, they are powerful creators. Chapter 3: The Law of Focus. Whatever you focus on expands. If you constantly focus on problems, you'll see more problems. If you focus on opportunities, you'll see more opportunities. Imagine two students. One says, "Math is impossible for me." The other says, "Math is tough, but I'll figure it out." Both are right, because their thoughts shape their focus, and their focus shapes their results. Lesson: where attention goes, energy flows. Chapter 4: The Subconscious Mind. Most people don't realize that the subconscious mind is like a powerful computer. It does not argue, it just accepts whatever you feed it. If you keep feeding it fear, it will create fearful situations. If you feed it confidence, it will create success. Napoleon Hill, in his famous book Think and Grow Rich, said, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." That's not magic, it's the power of the subconscious mind. Lesson: your subconscious is always listening. Speak to it with positivity. Chapter 5: From Thought to Action. Thinking alone is not enough, but it is the starting point. Every great action begins as a thought. Your job is to turn powerful thoughts into action. Example: J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by multiple publishers. But the thought of her story never left her mind. She kept taking action, and eventually, the world embraced her imagination. Lesson: thoughts give you direction, actions give you results. Chapter 6: The Role of Self-Image. How you see yourself matters. If you see yourself as weak, life will give you weakness. If you see yourself as strong, life will give you strength. Example: a poor boy from Kentucky, Colonel Sanders, believed he could share his chicken recipe with the world. Even after being rejected over 1,000 times, he never gave up. Today, KFC is a global brand. His self-image was stronger than rejection. Lesson: never see yourself as small. Think big, and your life will grow big. Chapter 7: Influence of Environment. Your environment shapes your thoughts. If you stay around negative people, you'll think negatively. If you stay around positive, ambitious people, you'll think positively. Example: Steve Jobs always surrounded himself with dreamers and innovators. That environment nurtured his creativity and gave birth to Apple. Lesson: Protect your mind like you protect your body. Be careful what you allow inside. Chapter 8 Thoughts and Health. Science has now proved what ancient wisdom already knew: your thoughts affect your body. Stressful thoughts can weaken your immune system. Positive thoughts can heal you faster. Example: Norman Cousins, a writer, healed himself from a life threatening illness by watching comedy films and keeping a positive mindset. His story inspired doctors to study the power of laughter in medicine. Lesson: a healthy mind creates a healthy body. Chapter 9 Success and Failure. Successful people don't think like average people. They train their minds to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Example: Elon Musk thought of colonizing Mars. To most people, this sounded insane. But his thinking was bigger than fear. Today, SpaceX is turning the thought into reality. On the other hand, people who constantly think of fear, lack, and doubt remain stuck in failure. Lesson: the difference between success and failure is a difference in thinking. Chapter 10 The Power of Repetition. A single thought may not change your life. But repeated thoughts, practiced daily, transform your destiny. That's why affirmations, visualization, and gratitude are so powerful. Example: athletes visualize their victory before stepping into the field. By the time the game begins, they have already won in their minds. Lesson: repeat the thoughts of success until your mind believes them. Chapter 11 Patience and Persistence. Your thoughts create direction, but you need patience and persistence to see results. Seeds take time to grow into trees. Similarly, your thoughts take time to become reality. Example: Mahatma Gandhi's thought was simple: non-violence. It seemed weak at first, but with patience and persistence, it changed the destiny of India. Lesson: keep your thoughts alive with persistence, even when the world doubts you. Chapter 12 Practical Steps to Control Your Thoughts. 1. Start your day with positive affirmations. Say, I am capable. I am confident. I am unstoppable. 2. Visualize your goals. Imagine yourself already living the life you want. 3. Surround yourself with positivity, books, people, and environments that lift you up. 4. Practice gratitude daily. Be thankful for what you have, and more will come. 5. Guard your mind. Avoid gossip, negativity, and toxic influences. Lesson: master your thoughts, and you master your destiny. Friends, the message is simple yet powerful. You are not what your situation is. You are not what people say about you. You are what you think about, most of the time. Your thoughts create your beliefs. Your beliefs create your actions. Your actions create your habits. Your habits create your destiny. So from today, choose your thoughts wisely. Think success. Think happiness. Think health. Think growth. Because in the end, you truly become what you think. Friends, if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational book summaries. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. So think positive, live positive, and stay unstoppable.